Hey guys, it's me, Danny. Wow. And hey guys, it's me, Danny. And today I'm playing Call of Duty Black Ops 2. And today I'm doing the pistol fighting thing like I did with the Tac40 and another gun. So yeah. But this time it's a different pistol. So yeah. I'm gonna keep doing more. It's a 5.7 versus Tac45. Yeah, Tac45. Yeah, so they're versing. And if I sound like a little girl, it's because I'm sick, and so I'm not at school and all that. But I decided to make a video since I didn't make one for like a week, 2 weeks or something. I don't know. I don't know. Alright. So what should I talk about? I'm gonna tell you which gun I think is better at the end of close to the end of the video. But yeah. Let me stay at the end of the video. Oh no. It's on the rooftop. Alright. So yeah. I don't know what I'll do with the executioner. Oh wow, the thing always pops up. I'm sorry about that if you heard that noise. Probably think you did. Alright. Alright. Just saying guys, never mind. So yeah, the 5.7 is actually my favorite pistol. I can only use my trigger finger on this. I don't want to use it because my arm is hurting. It's my bone and my arm. So I'm not gonna use my trigger finger. I'll be winning by now, but I'm not. I am in some place, and that is wow. I'm not in place. Wow. Ah! Alright. Oh, why did I say my favorite gun is the 5.7? Ah! You can see I'm dying a lot of times. Ah! Come on! No! No! Come on! No! No! So I'm literally I'm at home by myself. Stop! Oh, I thought RPG or rocket launcher. Headshot. Oh, I shot someone. No! Why would you do that to me? I never did that to you. Enter! My nose is so stuck. Alright guys, and I'm apologizing that I haven't been making videos since 2 weeks. Alright, so yeah, I'm sorry about that. How long has it been since I've been in this video? Alright, not that. Ow! Ah! Woo! Hey, my life. I've noticed that these people are actually stronger than Black Ops 1 people. No! I suck at this pretty much. I don't have my game on right now. I gotta go on my game. Ow! Oops. 8. Never mind. Alright guys, so these I think that the 5.7 is a really good gun, but I'm gonna have to end the game there because I have to start with the Tac45. So yeah. So yeah. I made a 4th. I know it's I'm changing my map. I'm changing my map to DLC Newtown 2025. I'm sorry. This is how we do it. That. No! Sorry, man. Free for all. We'll be looked at. Alright. So now we're using the Tac45.
Let's get out there. You know what to do.
The Tac45, actually, I think it's a really good gun. Both of these two guns are really good. They're like both one of my favorite guns in this whole game or something like that. Whole pistols. So yeah. They're my favorite pistol of all time. Sorry, did not mean to use my sniper. Sucker. Oh, what? Oh my god. I knifed him and I missed. Alright, and yeah. I know I haven't been making a video, but I've been like playing on live, and I'm disappointed because I lost my gummy bear in Black Ops 1, which I'll film next time. Me versus him. When I spawn trap him, he gets kind of really mad actually. But when I keep killing him, and if you want to, you'll get pissed with him. He doesn't even know what camping is. Just saying. And he'll get on your nerves. Well, he never got my nerves, but he got on my friend's nerves. So yeah. I think this has a really good aimer. So it makes it good for you to kill people. And yeah. Both of them are my favorite guns. But I'm gonna have to choose the... Oh my god. Only because it's my favorite. Actually, no, the Executioner is my favorite pistol. The Python always had to be my favorite pistol. But I'm kind of sorry, but there's gonna be no Executioner fight with any of them. So yeah. So I think not because it's my favorite gun, because it has more ammo and all that stuff. It's the 5.7. It has more ammo, and a lot of people use it, and I'm sorry about that. I just like the 5.7. I think it's a really good gun. Overall, Tac45 is an awesome gun. Like, that. It just made me get all my street kills. So yeah. I'm gonna have to say the Tac45. I'm sorry. But, good job for you, you know, 5.7. Tac45 will be versing the losing gun before. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna have to watch the video again, so then they converse. So yeah. So yeah, good. Thank you for watching this video. Yeah. I like right there in that house. Oh my god, dude, what the heck? Is this always popping out? Oh. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to this channel. That makes me really happy, even though I'm always happy. But hope you guys don't be sick like me and all that stuff. But hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.